Good morning to all. I am Rajitha, working as an Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Engineering. Today we're going to see about professional ethics subject. Let's move on to the subtopic that is engineering as experimentation in professional ethics. Introduction. Engineering as experimentation in professional ethics is in this rapidly evolving landscape of engineering, the intersection of innovation and ethical responsibility presents a complex and dynamic challenges. As engineers strive to create solutions that address societal needs, they often find themselves in uncharted territory where traditional ethical guidelines may not readily apply. This is particularly true in fields such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and sustainable energy, where the implication of engineering decision can have far-reaching consequences. The notion of engineering as experimentation on approach that embrace trial, error, and iterative learning emerge as a vital framework for navigating these ethical dilemmas. At its core, engineering is inheritably and in experimental discipline. Engineers frequently develop prototypes, conduct simulation, and test various scenario to evaluate the feasibility and safety of their design. The iterative process mirrors the scientific method where hypotheses are tested, refined, and validated through real world application. However, unlike pure scientific experimentation, engineering outcomes directly affect lives and the environment placing a greater emphasis on ethical consideration. As such, the role of ethics in engineering cannot be overstated. It acts as a guiding compass that helps professionals navigate the murky water of innovation and risky. The principle of experimentation in engineering invites a evaluation of how ethical consideration are integrated into the engineering process. Traditional ethical framework often emphasize adherence to established standard and code of conduct. While these guidelines are crucial, they can sometimes stifle creativity and hinder the exploration of novel ideas. Embracing experimentation allow engineers to approach problems with a mindset open to discovery and adaptation, fostering a culture where ethical consideration evolving alongside technical advancement. This perspective encourage engineers to not only consider the immediate implication of their work but also to anticipate potential long-term consequences and societal impact. Moreover, the integration of ethical experimentation into engineers practice acknowledge the complexity of real-world challenges issues such as climate changes, public health crisis, and cybersecurity threats requires multifaceted solution that are not only technically sound but also socially responsible. By viewing engineering as an experimental practice, professional can engage in critical reflection and dialogue about the ethical dimension of their work. This iterative learning process enables engineers to adjust their approaches based on feedback from diverse stakeholders including community, policymaker, and industry peers. In addition, the rapid phase of technical challenges necessitates a proactive stance towards ethical in engineering. As new tools and methods emerge, engineers must remain vigilant about the potential unintended consequences of their innovation. This requires a commitment to ongoing education and a willingness to engage with ethical theories or framework that challenges conventional thinking. In this sense, engineering as experimentation serves as a catalyst for fostering ethical literacy among professional, equipping them with the tools to address emerging ethical challenges. Furthermore, the collaborative nature of modern engineering practice enhances the role of ethical experimentation. Interdisciplinary terms are increasingly common, bringing together diverse perspectives and expertise to tackle complex problems. This collaborating environment not only enriches the problem solving process but also promotes a culture of ethical inquiry where term members can openly discuss and debate the moral implication of their work. Such discourse is essential for developing a shared understanding of ethical responsibilities and for cultivating a collective commitment to ethical excellence. In conclusion, the concept of engineering as experimentation presents a compelling framework for addressing the ethical challenges that arise in professional practice. By embracing experimentation, engineers can foster a culture of innovation that prioritizes ethical reflection and responsible decision making. This approach not only enhances the quality and impact of engineering solution but also contribute to a more equitable and sustainable future. As the engineer profession continues to evolve, it is imperative that practitioner recognize and embrace their ethical responsibility in ensuring that their work serves the greater good while and advancing the frontier technology. Definition of engineering and experimentation. Engineering as a field involves decision, building and analyzing system and structure. Experimentation is the process of testing hypotheses through practical applications. Importance of ethical in engineering. Ethics in engineering is crucial to ensure public safety, welfare and trust. Professional engineers are bound by ethical codes that guides their decision making. Interplay between engineering and experimentation. In this case study, best practice for responsible experimentation adherence to standard. Thank you.